Hi everyone, we're back with another great update to your full scope tools. This time it is about your client portal, which now includes an area for your customers to see and manage their invoices and any documents such as contracts or proposals that you have created for them. We're turning your client portal into a place where your customers can quickly and easily access all of the payment and paperwork that you have created. Not only that, but if they have a running subscription with you, for example, for any retainer work or subscription access to some kind of content that you have given them, they can manage that subscription now from within their client portal themselves. So you do not have to manage that for them. They can come right in here. They can first, of course, authenticate their account to keep things very, very secure. And then they can manage their subscription themselves if needed. So this is just a great new upgrade, and there are more things to come. But as you can see already, we have a great one-stop shop for your customers who can now come in. As you can see, they can make payments on any outstanding invoices. They can download any contracts that they might have signed. Everything in one place, and it's only going to get better from here. In order to make sure your customers have access to this, come over here to your account, head to the client portal here under memberships. And number one, you need to share obviously the URL to your client portal with them, and they need to sign up with the same email address that you have associated with their business in your account. Otherwise, it won't show them any documents because it won't recognize that they are the same user. And then finally, you just need to come over to settings and come here to app permissions and make sure that you have toggled the billing and subscription and contracts areas of your client portal to be on. Obviously, if you're using any of the other membership tools, communities, courses, the affiliate tools, these can be toggled on and off as well. But if you want your customers to see these payment and document options, then this has to be toggled on. Do not forget this, or of course, they will see nothing of the kind in their portal. If you have any questions about this wonderful new update for you and your customers, simply reach out to our support team. They're ready 24/7 to assist you every step of the way.